Hey everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. Yeah, it's been a while since I posted the last video, but I will say we had some sickness going on in our family. Not COVID, thank goodness, but it left us pretty debilitated and we just went back and forth in our family. But we're all on the mend, yay! So, now, the new year, I hope everybody had a good Christmas, by the way. I know I did. Got some more yummy soap stuff. I'm going to making soap today with this scent. It's by Brambleberry, blueberry jam, and oh my gosh, it is heavenly. Smells just like blueberries and jam. Best of everything. So I have an idea in my head on how I'm gonna do this. So we'll see if it turns out. Here's hoping. All right, as always, I have my prepared oils in here. So now I'm gonna put in my lye solution. And lye solution is lye with distilled water. You must use distilled water. Otherwise, you could get contaminants in your soap, and that would not be a good thing. Glug, glug. Just goes in nice. Alright. So now, it has already started the saponification. I can't talk anymore. Okay. We are going to mix this up. Okay, here goes the stick blender. Burp it. And here we go. Use a small indent. I know it's good. All right. Smell this blueberry, Allie.
Smells amazing.
Okay, I'm just going to have two colors. Blue, of course. And then I'm going to make this into a light tan. Okay, so I guess I should put in my fragrance. I want every bit of goodness. Yeah. Now we'll blend this up. All right, so I'm going to pour some into here. This will be my tan color. Well, maybe a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to put my blue in here. And we're going to put, and to make it light, I'm going to add a little bit of TD, titanium dioxide. Okay, let's see how that goes. What do you think? Lighter?
Is this supposed to be tan?
Huh? Yeah, it's supposed to be tan.
Does not look tan. Looks more pink.
That looks good. And now, blueberry. All right, so we're gonna pour in some blue. I guess it's okay if it punctures it a little bit. Then some more blueberry. Almost looks like a Hawaiian flower in there. Okay, I had to wait till this set up so I can put and build this up. Mad Fairy Dusters, Sparkle Me Aqua. Just to give it a little shimmer. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's see, did I mark these yet? No! Dang it! Alright, so I've got some blueberries here. Okay, I'm just gonna put the top one on. Alright. There's nothing worse than trying to cut some soap and you're off. I've done that I don't know how many times. that looks really good, right? Okay, give another spritz with alcohol and some more Sparkle Me Aqua Beauty Shot. Okay, we'll come back in 18 to 24 hours and cut this later. Okay, so we're back. I think I lined it up right. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna pull one out of the middle. Maybe. Wow. That is a beautiful blueberry bar soap. I'm excited for this one. Turned out great, and the smell is just amazing. Wow, that blueberry smell. Wow, this turned out so good. Okay. Oh. Well, if you like this video and like blueberries, you should definitely give me a thumbs up. As always,
I love it.
happy crafting. Later.
Mom,